Alright, here's part 2 of my fireworks stash. So I got 4 packs of zippers by Big. Got Python by Big. I got Mercurial Bee by Winda. Let's see, I got Executioner by World Class. Got Sweet Fountain by Shotgun. Got a 36 shot Happy. Crazy Horse by North Star Fireworks. It's a little 200 gram fan cake. I got 4 25 shot Saturn missile batteries by Big. I got a pack of 24 60 gram canister Pro shells by Big. Really nice shells. Loud. I got The Roof is on Fire by Venom Fountain. I got Bad Vices by Sin City. Got Funky Fish by Canon. Got Biohazard by Cutting Edge. Got Catapult by Dominator. Got Avenger by Legend. And I got a pack of 4 of these Neon Mini Blasters by Big. These are nice. Really nice shells. And I got my flat 30 boxes of 20 Mandarin crackers. And then, let's see, I got X Neon Missile by Shogun. Random Whistling Chaser. I got 4 packs of regular Ground Bloom Flowers by Big. Got this Warrior Candle Assortment by Warrior. Got a Russian Roulette by Black Cat. Couple random crackling balls. Got a Crackling Megathor Missile by Zenith. Let's see, I got 2 packs of Magical Roman Candles, 10 shots by TNT. Got a pack of Antique Airplanes by Shogun. Pack of Double Report Whistling Chasers by Boomer. Got a little Tri-Rotation Wheel by Shogun. Got Blaster Balls by Hog Wild. Got 2 Clay Pigeons by World Class. These are really good if you ever see clay pigeons. They're not made anymore, but highly suggest picking them up. They're Double Report aerial spinners. Got Trap Shooter by Great Grizzly, another clay pigeon. I got a box of 72 color clay smoke balls by Shogun. Got some mini lasers by Boomer. Got a Dino Mighty Might by World Class. Alright, bunch of firecrackers in here. Groups of them go off all at once. Fairly loud. Got a pack of Mad Bees by Firehawk. 2 spinners, one on top of the other. Got 12 bomb bags. Got a pack of Plane Drops parachutes. Got a Forceful Movement wheel by World Class. See, I got Charge by World Class. Fire by Dragon. Got Great Expectation by Winda. And I have Smoke Dragon by Winda, Daytime Cake, Smoke Tails to Bangs and Crackles. I got Fire, Fountain by Big. I have Luck, another Fountain by Big. And I have N Fugal by TNT, Fountain. 100-shot Saturn Missile by Winda. See, I got Bomb Chicka Bomb Bomb by World Class. Magnificent Festival by Brothers. And then I have Lost Control by TNT. And then, let's see, I got some regular punks, some 16-inch 2-hour punks, a couple packs of Quick Fuse, a few packs of green Visco Fuse, some fireworks glasses. Then, over here, got some 36-inch Morning Glories. Some Green Wasps by Shogun, a Frog by Boomer, Assorted Snakes by Biggs, Space Flyers by TNT, more firework glasses, Chicken Blowing a Balloon by Boomer, some Goldfish by Mighty Max, got the Animal Pack by Lil Patriot, got When You Gotta Go by Shogun. Got 2 packs of Party Poppers. Got some Super Spinners by Big. Got some Camellia Flowers by World Class. Got some Ladybugs. Got a Squiggly Star by Brothers. Some Cannon Mammoth Smoke. Got 2 Yellow and Red Mammoth Smoke by Cutting Edge. Got another The Roof Is on Fire Fountain by Venom. Got a pack of Neon Sparklers by Big. Got King Crab by Boomer. We have 2 of the Sammy Seals, whatever they are. Got Show Me the Money Fountain by TNT. Cupid in Love Fountain Thing. 40-inch giant parachute by Big. Got 2 Chick Sticks by World Class. Some large sunflowers by Boomer. Got a Happy Lamp. Got a pack of hula hoops. Got a root beer keg fountain. Got a pack of rubber duckies. Got some number 20 gold sparklers by Mega Banger. Got a Smile Sparkler by Pyro Predator. Got 2 Friendship Pagodas. 2 of the Globe by Brothers. And then we have a Peach Flower Assorted 9-inch fountain by Cutting Edge. And that about does it for my 2015 fireworks stash. I still have my 12 HDPE tubes I need to build a rack with. See, I'll be doing demos on all sorts of stuff. I'll be putting a show together with my firing system on the 4th. I'll take a video of the setup of that and of the show. So, look forward to that. Alright, I think that about covers it. So let me know what you thought in the comments below. Alright, this is Kyle Moldver. Comment, like, subscribe. I'm out.